Hi loves, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So the girl is stepping out again, loves. Girls, I'm stepping out. See ya. Where they make you feel alright, and I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, and when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my word is running, baby, she gon' save me, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, girl, your love is crazy, girl, love is crazy. You amaze me, girl, you amaze me. Other girls them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, girl, you amaze me. All them other girls they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a morning, guys. I just woke up and it's almost like 10:30 in the morning. I was so knackered last night. Keep you updated. Yeah. Hey, how are you? Hello, loves, welcome back. Time to step out. Me koyera. Me who so? I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me. They've been seeing me. Okay, you go. They've been seeing me a lot. Feed me slowly. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Funkilla.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they would never.
This one goes in the pocket. This one.
Whoa!
This one or this one? Which one? This one. This one's in my pocket.
Oh!
One more time.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.
So this is sea salt, and doctors recommend it for eczema, psoriasis, body acne, especially elbows, knees and feet, so no more dead skin, yeah? Nice rub, side as well. So it's to be used once a week in the shower for the entire body, not the face though. You know, so it's a bit enough for that. You ready? Yeah. Rub it in, and feel this. How is it? Like a baby. And me, I want you to feel this as well. This is the best exfoliant in the world, by the way. And this feeling will stay the same. So even if you dry it, absorbs into your skin all the way. Let's feel. Ladies always first. Wait, patience.
That's so soft.
So the reason why I'm testing on the wrist because the skin is actually similar to your face. You know, always perfume, you always check it here for the allergies. That's the reason why. Widzicie? It has papaya, aloe vera, algae, ginkgo biloba. No chemicals, and this is made by a doctor. Just face. Blackheads, pimples, spots. For you miss the makeup, and for you whenever you shave, it's gonna come down your skin. And after this, you moisturize because it's also moisturizer. It's 2-in-1, cleanser and moisturizer. Yes. Yeah, so these two they last you for 1 year. They go for 45 and 45, and the pendule 1 year as well. This is 75.
Okay. Time to go home, guys. My breath. Service was I thank God every bit of my trip was enjoyable, but it's time to go to my crib, guys.
It's your boy Mike Easy. Yeah. Oh, wow. Hey. I say a prayer when I wake up in the morning. Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now. Yeah.
Oh,
Let me get my lip gloss. Thank you for watching.